Good morning, everyone. I am Dr. Shamsher Singh, working in RP IIT Technical and Medical Campus. Today, our topic is capital budgeting. The sense of business entity is to spend money on certain heads with a hope to realize some return out of such investment. The spending activity, which is popularly known as investment. Capital budgeting fundamentally deals with the planning of the capital expenditure. Capital budgeting is an important era of financial management. Capital budgeting means to spend something today with a view to get benefits out of it in future. It is the present sacrifice for future returns. Capital budgeting decisions, substantial cash outflow occurs today and cash inflow occurs gradually in future years. Which a decision to buy a machine is taken, we pay the price for the machine today and yield the benefit out of this machine over a period of time. Such decision is known as capital budgeting decisions. Capital budgeting involves the entire process of planning expenditure whose returns are expected to extend beyond 1 year. Capital budgeting is concerned with the allocation of the firm's scarce financial resources among the available market opportunities. The capital budgeting decision is considered to be one of the most important and strategic managerial decisions because it involves the huge initial cash outflow. The initial cash outflow are certain while the cash inflow, that is future returns arising out of the investment, are uncertain. It is a long-term commitment and the decision once taken cannot be reversed or can be reversed at a great loss. The capital budgeting decision changes the overall riskiness of the firm. The capital expenditure made on expansion and diversification are expected to certain types of business risk. The investment in fixed assets like plant and machinery are subject to the obsolescence losses caused by the technological development. Capital budgeting can be defined as the process of analyzing, evaluating and deciding whether resources should be allocated to a project or not. Process of capital budgeting ensures optimal allocation of resources and helps management work towards the goal of shareholder wealth maximization. There are certain significance of capital budgeting. Resources constraint in a common phenomena of all economic activity. Sometime when a firm is able to spend on certain items, it is not willing to do so. Systematic screening process is employed to accept or reject the investment proposal. For this purpose, the investment proposals are broadly divided into two groups: mutually exclusive proposal or independent proposal. Mutually exclusive proposals are something but the alternative methods of doing the same thing. If one method is selected, the other must be rejected. If in plant material handling facilities are needed, they can be arranged either through conveyor belt or through the forklift truck. If you want to take the replacement decision, capital expenditure involves the replacement of an old machine by a new one. The replacement becomes necessary due to wear and tear or due to obsolescence. It results in more production, better quality production and reduction in operating cost. As the investment are made in the same line of production, it is not exposed to business risk. This involves the capital expenditure to increase the production capacity in some line of production. Here the investments are made in a new line of production. Such investment are exposed to the greater degree of business risk due to known familiarity of the production and sale era. We can say sacrifice of capital bursting considered to be the most important decision that a corporate treasurer has to make. So much is the sacrifice of capital bursting that many business schools offer a separate course on capital bursting. Why capital bursting is so important? Because it should be noted that capital bursting is customarily considered with reference to the investment in plant and machinery. Capital bursting decision involve the rigorous evaluation of each investment proposal. In quantitative terms, the comparison is made between the cash inflow and cash outflow of each proposal. Involves massive investment of resources. In capital bursting, we need massive investment of resources are not easily reversible. If we take once a decision, we cannot easily reversible because it is long-term investment decisions, long-term implications for the firm, involves uncertainty and risk for the firm. Due to the above factors, capital bursting decisions become critical and must be evaluated very carefully. Any firm that does not follow the capital budgeting process will not be maximizing shareholder wealth, and management will not be acting the best interest of shareholders. RJR Nabisco smokes cigarettes project example. Similarly, Euro Disney Concord plane GMO faced problems due to broad capital busting, while Intel become global leader due to sound capital busting decision in 90s. Thank you very much.